Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, in this video I will discuss about the molecule. Its definition, that what is molecule, its composition, that how is molecule formed, its examples, that what are the examples of molecule, and as well as its types. So first let's see that what is molecule. Students, let's see the definition of molecule. The smallest particle of matter which can exist free in nature is called molecule. Students, it means that molecule is the smallest particle of matter. Now the question arises that what is matter? So students, as you remember that I have already discussed about the matter, that what is matter in my previous video. And those students who have joined us from this video, they should know about the molecule in my previous video, about the matter in my previous video. So for that you will have to watch my previous videos in which I have discussed about the matter. Now molecule, I was discussing about the molecule, that molecule is the smallest particle of matter which can exist in free nature. It exists free in nature, means. Now the composition of molecules, that how molecule is composed. Molecule is composed of atoms. These atoms may be like or unlike. Like means that it may be composed of same type of atoms, and unlike means that it may be composed of different types of atoms. So this is the composition of molecule, that molecule is mainly composed of atoms. These atoms may be the same or these may be different. I will discuss them in the types of molecules. Now the examples of molecules, that what are the examples of molecules? This H2, it means that it is the molecule of hydrogen. The molecule of nitrogen, this is example of molecule. The molecule of oxygen, this too shows that it is the molecule, and etc. Now discussing about the types of molecules, that what are the types of molecules? Students, we have two types of molecules, that we have divided the molecules on the basis of number of atoms, and as well as we have divided the molecules on the basis of types of the atoms. First I will discuss about the types of molecules on the basis of number of atoms. First type is monoatomic molecules. Students, we will see the meaning of this monoatomic molecule, that what does it mean? Its name indicates that it is made up of only one type of atoms, as this mono means one. So those molecules which are made up of only one atom, they are called monoatomic molecules. For example, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, etc. These are the examples of monoatomic molecules. Students, keep this point in your mind, that all the inert gases, these are monoatomic molecules, because this helium, it exists free in nature. This neon, it can also exist free in nature. It means that there is no need to them that they can bond with the other atoms. So these are the examples of monoatomic molecules. All the inert gases are the examples of monoatomic molecules. Now the second type of the molecules on the basis of number of atoms is diatomic molecules. Students, this name indicates that these diatomic molecules are made up of only two atoms, because this di means two. So students, those molecules which are made up of two atoms, they are called diatomic molecules. For example, this hydrogen molecule, this is made up of two atoms, this one hydrogen and the second hydrogen. So this is diatomic molecule. As well as this oxygen atom, this is also the example of diatomic molecule, because this is made up of two oxygen atoms. As well as this carbon monoxide, This is also the type of diatomic molecule because this carbon monoxide is composed of carbon atom and as well as oxygen atom. So carbon 1 and this 2. So this is also the example of monoatomic molecule. Now another type of molecules on the basis of number of atoms is triatomic molecules. Students, this tri means 3. So those molecules which are made up of 3 atoms, they are called triatomic molecules. Let's see the examples of triatomic molecules. Students, this H2O, it means that it is water, and this water is the example of triatomic molecules. How? Let's see. This 2 indicates that there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, and this O means there are 1 oxygen. So H2O means 2 and 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So this water is made up of 3 atoms. This carbon dioxide, this is example of triatomic molecules. This carbon 1 and oxygen 2. So these are 3. So it is also made up of 3 atoms. Students, now I will discuss about another type of molecules on the basis of number of atoms, and that is polyatomic molecules. As its name indicates that it is made up of many atoms. This poly means many. So, students, those molecules which are made up of many atoms, they are called polyatomic molecules. For example, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. This is polyatomic molecule because it is made up of many atoms. This sugar, this is also polyatomic molecule because it is made up of many atoms. Okay students, now I will discuss about the types of molecules on the basis of type of atoms. Okay, the first type is homoatomic molecules. Homo means same. So students, those molecules which are made up of same type of atoms, they are called homoatomic molecules. These homoatomic molecules are also known as homonuclear molecules because they have same nucleus. Means that as they are the same type of atoms, so they have same nucleus. So they are called homonuclear molecules. Let's see the examples. What are the examples of homoatomic molecules? This hydrogen molecule, this is the example of homoatomic molecules because this molecule is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms. And hydrogen atoms, these are the same. Oxygen molecule, this is also the same type of atoms, and that is called homoatomic molecule. Students, now I will discuss about another type of the molecules on the basis of types of atoms, and that is heteroatomic molecules. This hetero means different. So heteroatomic molecules are defined as those molecules which are made up of different types of atoms. They are called heteroatomic molecules. Means that when molecule is made up of different types of atoms, it is called heteroatomic molecule, and it comes in the category of heteroatomic molecule. And these heteroatomic molecules are also known as heteronuclear molecules because they are made up of different types of atoms. For example, the molecule of water, it is also the type of heteroatomic molecule because hydrogen is one molecule and this is another, and these are both are different types of atoms. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, all these are different types of molecules. Thank you so much.